Recipe for a vegetable salad you can make. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, 2 tomatoes, 1 green pepper, 1 red onion, 1 carrot, 1/4 head of red cabbage, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Cut the cucumbers, tomatoes, green pepper, and red onion into cubes and put them in a large bowl. 2. Grate the carrot on a coarse grater and add it to the bowl. 3. Cut the red cabbage and add it to the bowl. 4. Add the olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste. 5. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly to ensure that they are well coated with the oil and vinegar. 6. Leave the salad for 10-15 minutes to allow the vegetables to release their juices and become juicier. 7. Serve the vegetable salad and enjoy. You can add or remove any ingredients from the recipe depending on your preferences. For example, you can add herbs or nuts for more texture and flavor.